87% of today's youth have witnessed cyberbullying. In over one-third of marriages, one or both partners admit to cheating. Recent Gallup poll, 85% of people hate their jobs. Is your child being cyberbullied because of their looks? Is your spouse being unfaithful? Which half of your employees are not engaged at work? Now, you can know for sure with PC Tattletale. PC Tattletale secretly makes videos of everything they do on their smartphone or computer. It records their every move with GPS cell phone tracking. PC Tattletale has been developed for over 15 years and has helped thousands of spouses, families, and employers just like you. Is PC Tattletale safe? It uses the latest technologies in AES and SSL encryption to protect your data. You are the only person who can ever see the recordings. PC Tattletale's recordings are easy to view. Watch them from your own phone or any computer. Get keystrokes and passwords. See their text messages. Watch everywhere they go. Setup is easy and only takes a few minutes. PC Tattletale is undetectable once installed. They will not find it. Remember this. Your kids are likely involved with or witnessing cyberbullying. More online affairs are starting more than ever before. Employees are more dissatisfied and engaged with their work than ever before. Now, you finally have the chance to find out the truth. Try PC Tattletale free today.